So my background is very simple. My mom is a retired Angelo State University employee. My dad is a retired truck driver, so I come from very humble beginnings. I grew up here in San Angelo. I went to Austin Elementary, Lee Junior High, which is now Lone Star, and Central High School. I then went on to Angelo State University here in San Angelo, so I am homegrown and raised, and I am a first-generation lawyer, but I am also a first-generation college student, so I had no help really figuring out college or law school, but I come from very humble beginnings, and this is my hometown. Picking my career was actually really easy for me because when I was growing up, I decided to become an attorney because in 5th grade, I evidently was a very argumentative child. And my parents both looked at me and said, "You should be a lawyer because you were really good at arguing." And I think that just stuck with me, and I just went headstrong into that field and kept going and never changed my mind, and went to college and then to law school and never skipped a beat. So I guess when people tell you you're good at arguing, you kind of take that to heart and you just follow your dream. My path to pursue personal injury is a very personal path for me. I was in a different area of law, and in 2012, I lost my only sibling, my younger brother, Derek. He was killed in a 18-wheeler collision, and then my family got sued. My family and his estate were sued in that collision. The 18-wheeler driver sued my family, and we are in the middle of trying to write his obituary and plan his funeral, and my parents don't know what to do. I'm a lawyer in that situation, and I don't know what to do. And so that really sparked a desire in me to fight for people who were in a similar situation, who didn't know what to do, who were faced with terror, trauma, hurt, maybe losing a loved one, and try to figure out, how can I help those people? How can I help them against these big companies? And how can I make this process easier for them? And so that's what led me to personal injury. It took a couple years to get there, but once I got there, I realized this is exactly where I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to help injured individuals and their families. So my practice area primarily exists in the realm of car collisions, 18-wheeler collisions, slip and falls, on-the-job injuries. I would say out in San Angelo in West Texas, we see a little bit of a different variety of cases. It's all personal injury. We all represent injured individuals, and we've got a lot of oil field out here. There's a lot more on-the-job injuries. There's a lot more commercial cases out here in San Angelo because of where we live. You might not see that in a different part of Texas, but all we do is personal injury. All we do is help injured individuals in the state of Texas. My brother, he played varsity baseball here at Central High School in San Angelo all 4 years of his high school career. His number was 17. And so 17 has always been a significant number to my family. They retired his number. There's actually a memorial bench out in the bullpen at Central Stadium. So when I came to work for Carlson and my boss told me, "Hey, by the way, this is the 17th office in the state of Texas," I just chills went all over my body, because for me, 17, anytime I see 17, it's a hello from my brother. It's like Derek is like, "I'm watching you, you're doing a great job, keep going." And so when that happened, I just knew Carlson was the perfect place for me, and this is where I'm supposed to be. So leading the 17th office in the state of Texas for me is honestly might be a pinnacle of my career, if I'm being honest. It has come full circle from tragic loss, losing my only sibling, going through the world with, me and my parents, and that's it. And, of course, my husband and my kids, but knowing that he's still sending me signs saying, "I'm here with you. I just know what you're doing. You're doing a great job." For me, it is a high point in my career. Knowing that I get to be the leader of this office is just complete confirmation. It's come full circle for me. And I feel like this is the perfect conclusion of that circle of 17 for me, and it will always be a part of my career here at Carlson. With the constant growth of San Angelo, it's imperative that Carlson be in this community, especially with the local connection. We're really just here to help the people of San Angelo and make sure they're protected as the San Angelo community continues to grow.